guys give birthday bumps to their friends, right? How do girls give birthday bumps?
By dashing the bombs.
Yeah, third, second grade, we just pick them up and throw them, pick them up.
Pick them up. Quit. खिलौना है क्या? Pick them and throw them. Pick them and throw them.
We lift them up in the air and throw them into the swimming pool.
Oh my God! Seriously?
We've done that, so.
Oh, nice.
Okay, you've got nice bumps. So dash it and smash it.
Okay, that's a nice one. If your boyfriend will ask you to do a lip lock in public, will you agree to do it?
Yeah. I'm totally fine with it. I would do it. He's my
would do it?
boyfriend. Yeah, he's my boyfriend, of course.
Of course, it's okay.
We do that all the time in Germany, so that's fine.
And in Germany, it's okay if you kiss. You guys are from Germany. Yes.
If I love him that much, then I would, yes.
If you love him that, माने क्या रहता है? Like, what does that love him that much means? Define that.
Love means मतलब जब आप किसी के प्यार में होते हो तो आप नहीं देखते ना, मतलब अगर रोना भी आ रहा है, even tears are emotions. So if somebody has hurt you and you're remembering that, so आप रोने के लिए भी आप ये नहीं देखते ना कि मैं पब्लिक में हूँ यार, मेरे आंखों में आंसू आएंगे तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे, वो तो
Kiss करने के लिए भी मैं नहीं देखती हूँ, मैं कर लेती हूँ. Basically.
If I'm in love, then I don't care what people think.
How do you tell if a girl is cheating on a guy?
A girl, well, as if I know, speaks a lot through her eyes. तो अगर वो है किसी के साथ और उसकी आंखें कि यहाँ वहाँ मंडरा रही है और किसी और को देख रही है तो आंखों से वो बहुत कुछ बोल देती है.
आप भी ऐसे आंखों में इशारा करते हो?
नहीं करती मैं.
Okay.
मेरी आंखें कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल लेती है, इसलिए मैं अपनी आंखों को बहुत कंट्रोल में रखती हूँ.
वाह. Okay.
If she's not giving her phone to you, then she's cheating on you.
Guys, you got that right. If she's not giving her phone to you, honey, you're not in the list anymore. And how can a guy take revenge on that?
Oh, don't take revenge, honey. Grow over it.
Grow over it.
Yeah, they're below you. If they cheat,
They're below you. Oh,
yeah. First of all, you can't take revenge because you're in love with her and you wouldn't want to hurt her.
See, girls are very jealous. तो उसको अगर वो उसको छोड़ के चले जाएगा और किसी और के साथ तो वो अपने आप उसके पीछे आएगी.
Oh, because I'm a guy and I'm giving you these cheesy lines. You need to give me reactions to that, okay? Is your dad a baker because you have some nice buns?
Oh my God, I'll slap him.
You'll slap him?
Yeah.
What if he's like very hot?
Still, I'll slap him.
Is your body from McDonald's because I'm loving it?
Oh my God, I would not appreciate that. I mean, so open, like no. मुझे गुस्सा आता है और कभी-कभी मेरे मूड पे भी डिपेंड करता है. मूड खराब है
मूड पे भी?
हाँ, दूसरे का किसी का गंदा मूड रहेगा खराब तो मैं उस पर गुस्सा निकाल दूंगी. अच्छा मूड रहेगा तो शायद मैं थैंक्स बोल के चली जाऊँ.
I'm not a photographer, but I can picture you and me together.
No, not ever.
Not ever. Oh my God. Yeah, but maybe the three of us. Okay. I'm not a photographer, but I can picture you and me together.
I'll ask him why only you.
मैंने कितनों के साथ आपको फोटो लेनी है?
Okay, that's kind of sweet.
That's kind of sweet.
Yeah.
What have you tried on girls? Any cheesy lines?
Yeah, basically in Christmas there was this one cheesy line, like for example if I'm DMing a girl, I'll ask her that, can I get your photo? She'll be like, why? So I'll be like, I need to tell Santa what I want for Christmas.
Oh, okay. There have been a lot of instances where I've seen the guys have been attracted to the maids. Like, they're caught doing it with maids. Why is it so?
If they see a female who is revealing or कुछ भी दिख रहा है या कुछ भी तो वो मतलब फिसल जाते हैं वहाँ पर.
I guess guys are attracted to something they're not supposed to do, so you're not supposed to do it with your mate, so they want to do it with the mate for a reason, I guess.
It's a free country, people can do whoever they want.
Do you think it's the same for the girls?
Yeah, I mean I will not fall for my driver at least.
I've heard of people having affairs with their drivers and stuff, so I guess there's something hot about that as well.
So guys with their mates and girls with their drivers. Is it the same with the girls?
I think you can do whoever you want.
Oh my God! Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. यार 2-3 चीज़ें प्लीज़ कर लो. एक तो थम्स अप बटन दबा दो, कमेंट करो कि कैसी लगी वीडियो और अगर अभी तक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल.